What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you how to create a token and keep the supply certain amount and the cheapest in the market basically. So we're gonna use soltool.io. That's the cheapest in the market. As you can see, $10 or 0.068 Sol. Sometimes it fluctuates between Solana price, so it can be a little bit lower, a little bit more, so on. So yeah, so we're gonna make a token. I generated this image using ChatGPT just for this test. Let it upload. As you can see, it uploaded here. Now we're gonna change the name to dog meme. Dog meme. And so for the token name and the symbol, I created the same, but you can change these around if you want. Now, for the supply, if you're first time creating, keep it at 1 billion. That's the standards usually used all over the place. If you want to create a little bit more tokens, you can select decimals to 6 and you can make a trillion tokens, whatever, whatever floats your boat basically. Now, for the description, we're just gonna write just dog meme, don't buy. Well, I don't need anybody to buy because this is just a test to show you how it works. Now, if you're creating a meme token, you don't really have to have a website, but it's cool if you do. Twitter, so on, Telegram, Discord. But if you're launching a meme token, you can keep it as simple as creating a Telegram group where people can chat, and join. I will keep this empty because we're not gonna push this token anywhere. Of course, we never know what can happen. Now, quickly, just for the new ones that don't know anything about token creation, how to launch your tokens, basically, your meme coins. So, revoke update, you could, if you uncheck this, you could in theory change the name, token symbol, blah, 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 all the metadata basically. So all the information here you could change. Now that's not something you would probably consider even doing. Plus you need another tool to do this. Or you can do the true coding. But I mean, I would keep it on. Revoke freeze, you should always keep it on. Otherwise, if you turn it off, it becomes honeypot. What's a honeypot? Honeypot means that you can freeze wallets from selling. So they can buy in, but they can't sell. That's a full-on rug pull, so I would never suggest to turn this off. And by the way, I mean, if you if you uncheck this, yeah, everywhere in Mevex and stuff like that, it will come up a warning saying, hey, this is a honeypot, this is a scam, this is, that kind of stuff. So I suggest never uncheck this. Revoke mint means like if you uncheck this, it means you're allowing yourself to create more tokens. So if you add 1 billion and then you could create another billion and sell on everyone, so it will give big red warnings everywhere as well. So never uncheck these. We do not charge for these options because they don't cost us anything. Other platforms charge money for them. I don't know. So another thing I want to point out, I'm already connected to this website. So it means the wallet is, you can see the icon of a wallet. For you, will show up first time if you're creating, it will show up connect wallet. So you will go through connect your wallet. It only works with Phantom wallet and nothing else. So if you're trying to connect with something else, it will not work. Only Phantom, and that's it. So yeah, so I have connected. So now I'm gonna create the token. So let's click create token. The Phantom should pop up saying you confirming this transaction, 0.068 Sol, as I say here. And we say yes, we want the token. And now we have the token. So you could either copy this token. This is your token address now, and it will show up in your Phantom wallet as well. Let's scroll down. There's a lot of demo ones here. So you can see the dog meme. We have it here. And yeah, and you basically have created. Sometimes Phantom Wallet doesn't update the image, but I will show you that it actually appears everywhere else. It's just the Phantom Wallet nonsense. I don't know. Sometimes they fix this bug, sometimes they don't. I don't know for what reason. Maybe it takes time for them to update the metadata. So you can click on the token address itself. So if you click here, it will take you to SolScan. Now you can see we can find our token address here, so it's easier to copy. So you just click copy here, and that's it. You copy the instead of going through the website and doing manually like this, you can just go into SolScan, click a little button here, copy, and that's that. And you can see we have created a meme token. Now, in Mevex, if you want to double check that your image appeared and everything worked fine, you just click on any token, random token, and in the browser line where you fill in like your, where it says Mevex, blah, 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 all that, at the end part here is actually the token address. So we can just click, we can just paste our one and click enter. It will not, if you try to search it up, it won't come up because you have no pool yet. So we need to create a pool, and I will show you how to do that. So you can see the image did appear, and it's just the Phantom is playing around, not showing up the image. Oh, now it's showing the image as well. So that's good. So it takes some time sometimes for Phantom to show up the image. So we have the token. Now, how can we get it live, and how can we keep certain amount of supply? So we need to go into swap .pump.fun. Just gonna remove this, and we're gonna get into the main website. So now we're in Pump Fun pool creation tool. So you can swap here, and as well do other things, but we're gonna create a pool here, and it's the cheapest in the market, 0.01 Sol. I mean, comparing to let's say Radium, Radium costs 0.2 Sol. So this is super cheap. This is like $1.50, $1.70, depending on Solana price today. And let's go connect our wallet. So we're just gonna connect our wallet. We're gonna select Phantom. As you see, everybody uses mostly Phantom because it's the best. So we have in the Phantom wallet around 3 Sol, basically, a little bit over. So then we go create, we go deposit and create. Now, I'm gonna show you a few things. So there's a withdraw option that we're gonna talk about it later. And now we're gonna try to create our token, the pool for our token. So it's tradable. Otherwise, you cannot trade. You create a token and you cannot trade it. So nobody can buy it or sell it if you don't have it. Only if you're doing some sort of pre-sale, like people buy in beforehand, they just send you money and you send them some tokens and you tell them that you're gonna launch later. That's possible as well, but otherwise it's not really tradable. So let's go and create the token. So we have our token address copied, so we're gonna just paste it and we're gonna select it, and you can see that we selected. Now it says I have 1 billion supply. So now we're gonna keep 10%. You can keep 20%, whatever floats the boat. I mean, you want to keep 50%, keep it, whatever you're doing, So for in this case, we're gonna just put 900 million. Yeah, and we're gonna keep 10% basically of 1 billion. So 900 million out of 1 billion is 10%. And now we're gonna mix with certain amount of Solana. So the more Solana you put in, the more likely it's gonna hit big. So if you put I don't know, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, it's gonna perform better than me putting in, let's say 2.5 Sol. So I'm gonna put 2.5 Sol, that's what, $397. That's not too much. So we're gonna create a pool, and it's gonna be tradable instantly as we create it. So let me create it. It's gonna tell me that it's charging me 2.51 sold, meaning the pool, like I'm adding 2.5 Solana from my pocket, and 0.01 is the pool creation fee. So this is the cheapest in the market. You can go try look somewhere else. You will not find any cheaper. So we're gonna go and create this. Now we're creating this pool, and when the pool is created, confirmed, I think we already able to trade it. So let's refresh and see what happened. So yeah, so we got some buys, mini buys. You know, currently right now, Pump Fund doesn't have like a lot of market makers, so they just do like a few cents buy-ins, and then there's like somebody bought in $1.19, whatever. So, like, I mean, as I say, it's a small liquidity, and of course you need marketing. I didn't add any. If you add any websites and stuff like that, Telegram and stuff like that, you will show up right here. We have nothing. So I mean, this is completely empty token. I mean, like, this is just a demo. So there is somebody buying, I see. Like, we can check, have a look. Yes, somebody bought $3.19. You know, that guy who got in with $1, he came out. It's a bot. It's like a sniper. It's like looking for the volume instantly. So yeah, so somebody got in with $3, most likely a bot as well. And yeah, and here you go. Funny thing about this whole thing, if you can see, I know my face could be in the way here, but LP burned. It means like it's, for some reason, it's showing that I locked my liquidity where I haven't locked my liquidity. It's a weird thing. I don't know how this plays out in the future. But I mean, people can mistake your token for being locked liquidity if they come through Mevex, because it shows 100% burned. And I will show you how can you withdraw liquidity, because in case you launched it and it didn't perform, and you just, or you did some mistakes, you didn't add website, you want to relaunch it. So let me show you how can you withdraw liquidity. Like, I mean, withdraw all your funds. Of course, in this case, I will wait for the guy to sell that $3, and then I'm gonna withdraw. Right now, I'm just gonna show you how it looks. So you go and click withdraw, because we haven't locked the liquidity. I don't know why Mevex is showing that we did, but we didn't. So we're gonna select our token, paste it, select. Now you can see LP tokens right here. Okay, so if I click max, now as you can see, I can withdraw my money plus the bot who bought in like $3 something. So I can withdraw his money as well. But I'm gonna wait. If he's not gonna get out, we are gonna withdraw, because we are creating these videos every other days to show, because to get more reach, you know, to get more people to see how this is done, and to show our tool that is the cheapest in the market. But anyway, I think he sold. I have a feeling, maybe not. I don't know. Let's refresh. No, he hasn't sold. So anyway, so you in theory can withdraw all the money that you put in, and basically that's it, you know, and maybe you're gonna restart a new token and launch it again. Now, if you wanna be a good guy and wanna make this successful, most likely you will need to lock the liquidity. So if you're preparing something, like, it's not just a meme, I mean, even for the meme, if you're creating something, it's a good idea to lock the liquidity. So I'm gonna show you how to lock the liquidity. Now you go into Soul Incinerator. So you can read it here, Soul Incinerator, you can read the logo, that's the same. So it looks dodgy, I know, but it's a legit platform. You can do research, it's been there for years and stuff like that, so it's there. Now currently, when you create a token and you let's say on Radium, the LP tokens, the LP tokens are the ones that basically, when you add money into the pool, it gives you back these weird tokens. They're called LP tokens. It's just like, almost like it's giving you a key, saying here's the key, so you can take your money back if you want to. But now you can burn this key. So that's what exactly I'm gonna show you how to do. Usually, as I said, when you click here, LP tokens should appear, but they're not here. That's main reason why I think Mevex is showing that the LP tokens are burned and cannot be found. But we go into unknown tokens. So then we confirm, and now I can burn these tokens here. If I select, I know my face is in the way, but maybe you can see under here. I don't know where to put myself in the screen, but if I click burn, now I burned this key, meaning that 300 whatever dollars I put into the pool, now it's locked, and it means that it's safe for people to trade, so on, so forth. So we're not gonna do that because I'm gonna be creating these videos showing you how to launch tokens. We're gonna try to do this for next 30 days. I know new guys will keep on coming, and not every video can perform as good as so we need to spread it out, So anyway, yeah, so guys, this is very simple. You go into soltool.io, you create your meme token, whatever, put any info or whatever you want. I highly suggest to add Telegram, X account, website, would be cool if you add. If you don't, it's fine, at least have something, because if it's a meme, it's cool to have Twitter and Telegram, but bare minimum, add Telegram group. So create a group related to the token, and it will be some guys joining, texting, trying to push it, so on. So yeah, and here you go, $10 to create a token, the cheapest in the market. Now another thing I want to point out, guys, we do have a volume bot. So for the guys who are a little bit more advanced, we have the cheapest volume bot in the market, meaning that if you want like 50k volume, 500k, 2 million k, 2 million in not k, in volume, you can get in with us. You just click start and it will take you to our volume bot Telegram page, and we can chat about, we can check your contract, we can do a test transaction, and see how much it will cost you, because there is difference. Let's say if you created a token purely on Pump Fun, then it's gonna be very expensive for you to run volume bot. If you create it now like this, the way I showed you right now, it's gonna be way cheaper. Now if you create on Radium, it gets even more cheaper to run a volume bot, and volume bot brings more eyes on the project. So if you make all the steps correctly, it's gonna work, it's gonna perform. Of course, it's up to you to make it happen, to make it better, promote it and stuff like that. So yeah. So I have some gardener outside, sorry for the background noise. Yeah, and what else I wanted to show you? Okay, so another thing I want to show you is a promo game. So promo game, it's free to play. So we have like 80 something, wait 1 second, 82 guys playing the game. The rules, very simple. Right now, I don't know when you're watching this video, but of course we're gonna keep having contests, so started 10th of June, today is the 12th, so started, ends on 15th. So we have top players gonna win 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.1. 5 winners will be in the basically 5 winners we will have, and they all gonna benefit of us giving away Solana for free. No strings attached. We're just testing our games. Because we're building a gaming hub, that is huge thing upcoming, so we're testing and we're just giving away free money for people. And when the contest is not running, we do the daily contests where you can win like $5, stuff like that, for your coffee, and if you get top a top spot. I'll show you a little bit how the game looks like. So it's type of like Candy Crush. I'm not that good at it. I don't get too crazy points, but there's guys who do get crazy points. So there's high, if you play enough, you will definitely get good at it. I don't have all the time to play, but anyway, this is how the game looks like. And yeah, and that's all there is, and you can play now. Another thing I want to point out, we have Soltool token and we have Promo4 token. What's the difference? Soltool is related only to our tools like token creation, volume bot, and there's more things upcoming that we haven't put it live because we're working hard on other things, like multiple things, and we're only few guys, so it's full hands. Now, Promo 4 is related to the game. So if you do want to play this game, you do have to hold at least like like $2-3 of promo 4. You know, we don't care how much you hold. You know, but if you want to play and win, basically that's the idea. And what I'm gonna do is in this video, I will add our Telegram for Soul Tool and Promo 4. In Promo 4, I have pinned videos to show you how you can play the game and connect your wallet to play the game. The wallet can be almost empty, whatever, just need to hold. You can play for free if you don't want to win anything, but I'm gonna show you how to. There is a video on how to play on your phone using Phantom Wallet itself. So yeah, guys, I think that's that for now, and that's it, guys. I see you in the next video. I'm gonna create similar one. I know some of you might be like already seen this. I don't care, but there is a lot of guys who didn't, and I hope I helped you out today by showing what we have in place. Okay, guys, peace, and see you in the next video.